How to connect Epic Games to Steam. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Open your web browser and log into Epic Games account. Once you do that, make sure you open up another tab and log into your Steam account. Once you have done that, here in the Epic Games, you want to click on your profile name and now click on Account. That is going to open up the settings. Now from the options in the left hand side, you want to click on Apps and Accounts. Now here you can find Steam, so click on Connect. Once you click on Connect, a new tab is going to open up like this. And now from here you can click on Link Account. So here it is automatically showing your account because you have opened up Steam in another tab. So now you need to wait for some time, and over here scroll down and you're going to find your Steam account. So you simply want to click on Sign In option. Now wait for some time until this page loads and you're going to see that your Steam account has been linked to Epic Games. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.